What is the best way to improve productivity in a factory? To do so, we are tempted to do higher, bigger, more technical, more specific. The Labadis system offers to produce more while doing less. Less movement, less transfers, and less stocks. Bending, extending, rushing, people can adapt to everything and can produce in any conditions. However, are we sure we're doing the right number of movements per operation? How far do we walk every day? Labadis system means observing, analyzing, and designing tools to optimize workstations. Always have direct access to all you need, right when you need it. Split the manipulations and relieve operators in their task for better quality, productivity, and serenity. Transferring parts and materials is often a lot of energy and big equipments. But why such sizes if they are not maneuverable? Why such quantities if they do not match the customer's needs? Labadis system allows to transfer quickly and without effort just what is needed. In reduced alleys, without risk, from the truck to the assembly. By mutualizing all transfers of different types of pieces, we improve flexibility and increase delivery frequencies. Warehouses can always be higher and bigger. But how much time does it take to find a part? What visibility do we have on the stock? With flat storage, Labadis helps you to organize a storage adapted to the right level of production. No risk, no forklifts, always at man's height. Get quick and direct access to the required parts to answer customers' requests more rapidly. Optimized gestures, smooth transfers, controlled storage, the Labadis system overcomes industrial and logistic problems of any kind.